What's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of AV Vision TV. Today we are at 4 till 4 Cars and Coffee Meet. Keep hearing it's the best meet out here. Finally got up and come check it out. Homeboy, he got. Let me turn his camera around for y'all. I don't know if y'all met him on camera, but this is actually his. So definitely gonna go on a ride for that later on. You know the 600 LT, one of my favorite McLarens out. Shit is sweet. Feel like 3 of them here. And next to that, SVJ.
Check my battery. I've driven 2 hours. I got charged.
Crazy. This one is sweet. And next to it, always light coming up on the brakes. These newer 911s. Man, you got an LP 570.
Yeah, down in Miami. Yeah.
McLaren GT. Oh, and right here you got a Celica GT4. Super rare. So yeah, so far so good too. It's a nice meet, man.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. I had no idea there was this much room in here.
Yeah, this one's, oh man, this one's sweet. Yeah. Yeah, he's fully utilizing it too. Man, this mug is super sweet. Oh yeah, it's a fantastic meet. A lot of really cool stuff up here. White wheels.
And they have their
Left-hand drive.
table appreciation down. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I do. No, don't stay. I know.
Celica GT4. Pretty sweet. Turbo. So obviously it was a great meet. About to head home and work on the Lexus, try to get it. I gotta figure out where this intercooler sits so I can make a decision on where I'm gonna put the transmission cooler. Once I get the transmission cooler going, the oil cooler is almost done. Once I get the transmission figured out, I'll be able to get it with the new radiator in, and then I'll be able to at least drive it to the damn car wash so I can get it back on the road. Stay tuned for the rest. So here's where we are right now. I got started on the oil cooler. So I'm gonna get this mounted, kind of figure out where the lines go for it, find a spot to mount it. I'm thinking about down here, so like on the bumper, there's these little covers. I'm thinking about putting it right in this area on this side, on the intake side. So let's see what I can find. The filter spot is right there. So it's right here. So let's go ahead and get started, man. Yeah, so I kind of got down for a second, but I got back at it. So I got this figured out, mounted, I guess. I'm gonna have to take it off before I go like start the car up. I want to make sure everything's nice and secure. But let's go from the bottom. Let's see if this makes a difference. It probably won't. As you can kind of see, there goes the can right there. I got my 2 hoses. Trying to just opening shit up so I can get an idea. Working on the intercooler mount right now. Never done this before, but I kind of need to get an idea of where that's supposed to go before I put the transmission cooler in, so that way I can just do the fluid, make sure it's out the way, drive it in there before I get this stuff on there. Not sure how much longer I'll go today, but hopefully I can end the video at least with the intercooler mounted. Bumper off, of course. But yeah, just wanted to show some progress. Really can't wait to get the get this thing back driving so I can wash it out. Engine bay looks terrible, so definitely gonna take some time out to clean it. We'll see how much further we get today. Alright guys, so I think I'm done for the day. I doubt I'll come out here tomorrow. I need to get a workout in and not kill myself for the next work week. So made some good progress though. So started to mount the radiator. Had to move this horn. Have to move this horn. Found a really good video kind of talking about it. I'll get some new fender liner here, and that'll help me decide the rest of my mounting stuff. The lines here are a little long, but it was a universal piece, so what do you expect? But yeah, we made some good progress, man. I'm really happy about it. Like I said, the sooner I get this figured out, I'll be able to throw the transcooler on, mount this up, take it to the car wash. Then after that is brake booster time, and then once the booster's good, we'll start the install. Appreciate y'all supporting me. It's been fun, a little stressful, but we're getting there, man. Really happy about it. Feel good about it. I'm probably gonna come out here and finish it just to make sure, finish mounting it just to make sure it doesn't move at all. There are some more holes down right here, another one right there, just to get it that final stable piece. But like I said, I gotta move this horn first. Stay tuned, man.
That's an understatement, bro.
Man.
He's gonna steal it.
Oh, God. I can't really tell.
Potentially, yeah, it could be different. Any comments, sir?
Oh my God. Look at the Meisters, man. Enough said. Like, look at this car.
I don't want him to, oh yeah. Yeah.
TRD wing, TRD cluster. Look. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous car. This car just adds that I need to put a side skirt extension on my car.
Man,
look at how clean that looks, man.
Yeah, that's a bad bitch right there.
Oh my God, dude. Maybe I would do a TRD wing on mine.